Alright guys, I wanted to take this time to show you where we are in science fair and what I need you to work on over the next couple of days. So we have completed the topic research, okay? You guys finding different sources and picking out bits and pieces of information that you wanted to summarize. That was our 200-word summary. If you have not done that, I need you to get going on that. I need you to do that now. Okay, but if you are done with that, we get to the first part here where we actually have a little bit of a difference between the regular group and the Percev group. Okay, so the Percev group is going to have this stuff due actually very soon, um, by the end of the week, if possible. Okay, now you're going to get a lot of time in class the next couple of days, but I need this section to be done by the end of the week. Okay, now the regular people, they get a little bit of extra time. Okay, they get a little bit extra time, but this is our hypothesis and experimental design section. Now just kind of let me go ahead and show you where the directions are. Okay, so first of all, we are on the science fair information packet, so if you wanted to go on there and just straight up read them on here, you certainly could do that. They are also, this page alone, only this page is on, sorry, is right here, the science fair hypothesis and experimental design instructions, okay, on Canvas. Under science fair, we're on this part right here. Okay, you can certainly go on and look at that. But what you're going to see on that is kind of the breakdown for where we are and what we need to do. Okay, so we need to do essentially design our experiment. Okay, in other words, we need to finally lay out our question, develop our hypothesis, come up with our variables, list our materials, and then finally write a procedure. Now I want you to pay close attention to what I say here. Complete sentences, numbered steps you will follow in order to test your hypothesis. That's a recipe. Okay, you must do this in steps. Your plan must also be specific so that a person unfamiliar with your project could follow the directions and complete the experiment. Remember, this is like if you were going over to team 1 and wanted them to do the experiment. Could they actually do it? So this is going to take some time. I really, really want you to spend time making sure that this portion, your procedure, is good. Okay. Now, if you go to your template, your science fair outline that you all should have shared with me by now. If you haven't, please done so. This is where you're going to fill that out. Okay, so you've put in your research summaries. Now is the time to fill out this section. Give me your question, your hypothesis, your variables, your materials, and your procedure. Your procedure should definitely go on to the next page. It shouldn't be 2 or 3 steps. It should be the least minimum of 8 steps, I would say. Maybe, most of you are looking at 10, 12, maybe even upwards of 15 steps. It should be very specific, okay? Very specific. I want you to work on this over the next couple of days because I want it to be, there should be nobody that is late on this assignment considering how much time I am giving you. You're essentially going to have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Please do not be late. December 1st is not that far off, but you have a lot of time over the next couple of days to do that. Okay?